Alright you guys, today we're going to another fancy tutorial with typography. This is going to be liquid, pixel, liquify, all that stuff. So let's take a look. My artboard size is 1080p, and for the font I'm going to go with Commission Ultra Condense. Alright, so from here what we're going to do is drag the text downwards. I'm going to press and hold shift as well, drag it somewhere here, and then we're going to go to the filter. Let's select the liquify and click on convert a smart object. Now here, let's go to the settings, and the size I'm going to go with 330, pressure 64, density 30, but you can choose what options you like, so I'm just going to go with these, and then we can go and stretch this out to liquify the whole text. So let's go and speed this process up. Fire away! And I think I'm pretty much ready. Click OK. Looks pretty fancy. And from here, we're going to collapse the layer with the text. I'm going to press Ctrl J twice. So it's going to duplicate. And then let's go and rename these layers. This is going to be the R, second one, the G, third one, the B. So let's go to the very first layer at the bottom here, or the letter R. Actually, it's not the first layer, but whatever. Double click on it. And here we're going to go to the channels. And here we're going to need to uncheck the green and the blue, remain with the red, click OK. Let's go to the green, double click. And here we're going to uncheck the red and the blue, click OK. And let's go to the B layer, double click. And here we're going to uncheck the red and the green, click OK. And we're going to press Ctrl T on the letter B layer right here. So it's going to distort it, press and hold Ctrl, and let's go to this little square here, and we're going to, for example, bring it to the right. Also press and hold Shift. I'm going to go something like this. Maybe you also can like exaggerate a little bit more, double click. Now let's go and select the letter R layer, press Ctrl T, and I'm going to press and hold Ctrl, drag it to the left, press and hold Shift to tilt that. Enter. So pretty much this is the result you should get. And then from here, what we're going to need to do is select all the layers, press and hold Shift. Let's go and select all the way to the background layer, right click and select Convert a Smart Object. There it is. Now from here, we're going to need to pixelate this thing. So let's go to the filter. Let's go to pixelate, and we're going to select the mosaic right here. I think last time I went with the cell size on 36. So I'm going to go with this, click OK, and then we're going to go and select the Smart Filter thumbnail here, click on this, and let's go and select the brush tool, make sure that you're on the black. So basically not the background, but the foreground color needs to be on the black, so I'm going to swap this with the arrow. So I'm going to scale up the brush and delete the bottom part, something like this, and pretty much that's it. And then we're going to need to deselect this layer right here, click somewhere here, and let's go and select the gradient tool, and I'm going to drag it like this, press and hold Shift. Then here we can change up the colors. Let's go and select this, double click and recolor, click OK, customize it however you like. I'm also going to go to the blend mode, change it, linear burn. So pretty much that's how you make it. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.